Hello, what's up you guys? It's Justin again from Up North Motorsports. So today we're going to be swapping out the reverse lights on my Chevy Colorado. One of them is actually burnt out. As you can see, the passenger side's burnt out, driver's side's still good. So I've partnered with Auxito LED to get the new reverse lights. So let's get started taking the old ones out, putting the new ones in. Okay, to remove the taillight housing, you got two bolts. Some may require T15, mine just requires just a regular screwdriver. And you also got two tabs on that side as well, so we'll take off the two screws and we'll go from there. Okay, and then just maybe while you're in here, just give it a little bit of clean. I guess it gets pretty dusty in there. Okay, and obviously the reverse light's the middle one, so I'm just going to turn it. And there we go, it pops the bulb. Okay, so there's a comparison from the stock one to the Auxito, wrong way. Auxito LED one. Lots of LEDs on the side, a couple big ones in the middle, and it's a little bit longer than the stock one, so I'm thinking it'll be a little bit brighter, stuff like that. A little bit bigger too, it looks like, with LEDs, so I think it'll be brighter. Okay, so once you got the bulb back in place, just reverse the process and reinstall your tail light housing and stuff like that, and then we'll do a comparison. Okay, so this one is stock, kind of yellowish. And these ones are the Auxito ones. Way brighter kind of thing, especially when you see it in person. These are like a white bright light. And the stock ones are kind of like this faded looking yellow one kind of thing. As you can see, the reverse lights almost put like their brake light to shame, because the brake lights are stock. That is brighter. You can tell on the wall too, you can see that compared to that. Okay, I'll put it in the dark too so you guys can see as well. Okay, I'll hit the key again. So that's the stock one, that's the Auxito one. Big difference, especially you got the white light. It's hard to tell on video, but it's like way brighter. Okay, I'll get the other one replaced and then we'll take a look through the reverse camera as well. Okay, both of them installed. Definitely a lot brighter. The white lights. Okay, I'll go into the cab, I'll turn the lights off and then check out how it looks in the rear view camera. Okay, let's wait for the system to boot up. There we go. You can see it's a lot brighter going in reverse and stuff like that. Really brightens it up in the back. I'll try opening the door. And you can really see it brightens up way back there and stuff like that. Okay, so I definitely recommend these bulbs, 100%, definitely way better over stock. I got a link in the description, just down there. Check them out, check out any other bulbs that you might need for your Chevy Colorado or any other vehicles that you might have. I also have a discount code that you're welcome to use, Up North, all caps kind of thing. Gives you about 12% discount on any of their products. And then as always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and leave some comments. Love hearing what you guys say. Alrighty, have a good one. Bye.